Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to add contact photo on your Samsung Galaxy A25. So as your first step, we would need to open our phone application, which looks like this, and here go to this tab which is named Contacts. As your next step, select the contact that you would like to set a photo for. Click on it, so you will be able to see this menu, and then click on this gray icon on the right edge. Then as a next step, we can click on the avatar of this contact, and here we can choose from where we would like to add the photo. We can choose camera, gallery, or create an AR emoji. So let's choose gallery, and here select any random photo. As a next step, you can choose which part of the photo you would like to set, or you can also zoom it in or out. Then we click done and save. And this is it. Now your contact has its own photo, and every time that you will call them or they will call you, you'll be able to see this avatar. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.